Check it out, man. I feel bad. Check my 80-meter real world. Shit hits the fan. End-fed half-wave. I wish you could see the same view I get to see from the shack window behind me. All those sticks in a row. Yeah. You know what, man? I've been remiss. You know what, man? Why do I have to sound like a weirdo? Probably because I am one. You know what, man? I just watched a few video files that I recorded on field day using this wire on various bands with 20 watts PEP. You know what, man? I only recorded 4 contacts, but it made me realize, you know what, man? I was only using 20 watts PEP with a wire that's 6 feet high. And I realized a couple things. A, I made the contact on the first call. And B, I've got to work with this antenna more, man. I've been remiss. I'm going to dump 5 watts of RF into that thing and make it glow blue like a nuclear core. What's that radiation called in a nuclear core? Yeah, Compton radiation. I'll light this thing up brighter than Fermi. Yeah. I'm going to post those phone contacts. I recorded a bunch of CW ones as well, but they take a lot more editing. The phone ones, I just stitched them together. I'm going to post them. I don't know if there's any interest in it, you know, but after Asteroid Andrew strikes, Asteroid Andrew strikes, that antenna is not going to be needed. Humanity will be gone. You know what, man? On that note, I like to think that our alien friends will bring back all the abductees and repopulate the Earth with us. I better shut up. Thanks for putting up with me and watching this crap if you did. If you didn't, you're wise and don't even know it. 73.